So you have to match the proper noun with common noun. Kolkata is the name of a city. City is a common noun because we can say Mumbai, Bangalore, they all are cities. But Kolkata refers to a special name given to a city. Similarly, actor. Actor can be anyone. Mithun Chakravarti, Amir Khan, Salman Khan. So, actor is a common noun, but Amitabh Bachchan is a special name given to an actor. So, Amitabh Bachchan with actor. December is the name given to a month. Month is a common noun. December is the proper noun. Similarly, India is the proper noun. Country is the common noun. Natasha is the name of a girl. Girl is a common noun. Natasha is a proper noun. We should match Natasha with girl. Odisha is a state. State is a common noun. Odisha is the proper noun. Narmada is the name of a river. River is a common noun. Narmada is the proper noun. Circle the proper nouns. Cat, ram, cow, Naveen Patnaik, book, girl, boy, Rita, Odisha, pen, India, pencil, Maggie, dog, Tom, John, noodles. So we have to circle the proper nouns. They are special names given to any person or thing or place, etc. So they also start with a capital letter. We can easily find out. Cat is common noun. Ram, we have to circle. Ram is a name. Cow is not a proper noun. Naveen Patnaik, yes. Naveen Patnaik is the name of our ex-chief minister. Book, no. Girl, no. Boy, because these are common nouns. Rita is a proper noun. Odisha is a proper noun. Pen, no. India is the name of it is the name of our country. Pencil is not proper noun. Maggie, yes, it is proper noun. It starts with the capital letter also. Dog is a common noun, but all the proper nouns must begin with a capital letter. So Tom is a proper noun. John is a proper noun. Noodles, no, common noun. What is the definition of proper noun? A proper noun is a specific name given to a person, place, thing, or idea. It's always capitalized in English, unlike common nouns, which are general names. Examples of proper nouns include Paris, California, Saturday, November, June, etc. So, basically, proper noun is a name used for an individual person, place, or organization spelled with an initial capital letter. For example, Jane, London, where J is capital or L is capital in London, or any name, days of the week or months of the year, January, February. In all these cases, we use capital letter at the beginning of the word. So, proper noun is a special name given to any individual person or thing or place or organization or school, etc. One may confuse that we always say or define a noun as a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. So, then what is the difference between common noun and proper noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. And proper noun specially refers to a particular person or place or thing. For example, the noun Ashoka refers to a particular king, but the noun king might be applied to any other king as well as to Ashoka. We call Ashoka a proper noun and king a common noun. One may raise a question. There are names of flowers, fruits, vegetables. So, is pineapple a common noun or proper noun? Because it is the name of a fruit. But here you may explain pineapple is a common noun. It refers to a general type of fruit and is not capitalized unless it is at the beginning of a sentence. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, or ideas like fruit, city, or book. Proper nouns, on the other hand, are specific names like Chicago, Mount Kilimanjaro, and they are always capitalized. One simple example I have given. We can write a few sentences such as, he is a doctor, his name is Uma Patnaik. So, doctor is a common noun, so I don't necessarily need to write D as capital in the sentence, he is a doctor. But on the other hand, his name is Uma Patnaik. There I should write U as capital and P as capital because it is a proper noun. Similarly, another sentence I can form, he is Dr. Uma Patnaik. Here in the middle of a sentence, I should write capital D for doctor and U for Uma and P for Patnaik, because here the whole Dr. Uma Patnaik refers to the proper noun.